Ooh. What shitty AI music can we find today? Holy fuck. God damn. Alright, I need to set up my computer again because I formatted it. We need .NET, we need game dev. That's about it. Go get it, boy. Oh, it's 7 gigabytes. Yeah, great. I don't know if I'll end up having to format. No, not format. Reboot my computer. So install Unity Hub again. Unity Hub does not go there. Goes there. There. Oh boy. What a kawaii morning. Run Unity Hub. Go for it. Turn it off. And then install Unity. Not because I need to install Unity, but because you need to. You need to install it. Let's see, it goes there. 2021, 24. I need to install and overwrite my installed version, because otherwise Unity, there's like some DLL file or whatever that doesn't get installed. Otherwise, it can't boot Unity. Removing old Unity installation. How could you do this to me? Fix it. Vroom. Visual Studio installs 7 gigabytes in like 3 seconds. While Armory Crate takes literally 30 minutes to install one audio driver. Sign in? Yeah, okay. No. Yeah. Then we open app data. Go to my backups. App data, roaming. Unity Hub. I don't think I need the Unity. Actually, maybe I do. Grab both Unity and Unity Hub there. Back that in. And what about local? Do we have Unity and Unity Hub in local? Unreal, Unity Mod Manager, Unity Hub Updater, Unity. Local low, Unity, Unreal Engine. I don't even use Unreal. I would just wait for that. And then we should be good to go. Oh, I hope this coffee isn't as weak as I think it is. Oh, it's so weak. Oh shit. Even drinkable. Barely tastes like coffee. Oh, whatever. Yes, replace. Who cares? And now we can just open Unity Hub. No? Actually need to sign in. This is bullshit. I don't remember doing that last time. Maybe I did. Don't save password. Fuck off! Smashed the button like 6 times, but nothing happened. Alright. That's not how you open C# project Unity. Bastard. External tools. Yes. The new version for Unity. No, fuck off. Not updating shit. Alright. Fuck off. I hate this shit. Last time it just stopped doing this. Without me having to bother. But not now, apparently. It might still be downloading my settings. It did that last time. Let's take a look here. Text editor, C#. Oh. We want environment, keyboard, line. Ugh. Pressing enter there just turns it off. It's so stupid. Line. Line cut. Global Control L. Line delete. Shift delete. No, shift delete only. Edit dot cut. Control X, yes. There. And now, where are we? Okay, so draw static grid. List tiles to draw. If tiles to draw dot count. Well, if tiles to draw equals null, or tiles to draw dot count equals 0, then return. Yes. Wow, we have autocomplete? Where the fuck is this coming from? Placement tool. Research. Draw dynamic grid. Let's see. Set preview offset. What is that? Preview offset core. And here, movement AP gauge set value main controller dot current unit current turn dot unit action points remaining minus if path count equals 0, then 0, else path count is -1. But here it's doing pre-search and because it bugs when you try to pathfind from point A to point B when they're both the same point. So, what does pathfinding data look like again? Origin point target. And then here, draw dynamic grid. Says if tiles to draw equals null, path is null, grid mouse color to return. But maybe we should return a value. It might be easier than returning null. It's a little bit like coffee. So what happens now? Alright, now it seems to work, more or less. Really depends on exactly the functionality we want there when it's hovering over. But you can't move on yourself, and this is wrong though. The outline isn't right either, to be honest. Supposed to pulsate, but right now it's just set to be 1. Also, apparently, that doesn't reset. Good morning, Gorilla. Yeah, you too. As long as my computer doesn't crash, it's fine. It seems solved though, so that's good. I unplugged a USB extension cable and now it works again. For now. So basically, movement tool gets set here, and mouse mode gets set mouse mode equals movement. Where does it say that? There. Init move mode, mouse mode equals movement. And when that happens, it shouldn't need to do this. But because the dynamic grid is supposed to be reset every... That's the thing, right? I could reset the dynamic drawing grid every frame. But if it doesn't need to be drawn, then that's kind of unnecessary, isn't it? So how do we do that? I feel like we need a boolean. But I feel like a boolean is also a little bit difficult. What if... Because in reality, the grid is pretty much... No. But the grid is pretty much going to be only rendered when a mouse mode is selected. However, it might be rendered when an enemy is making a turn too. But I'm not sure about that, but it might. But I think we're just gonna have to... I think we're just gonna have to track it manually, and we're gonna do something like public void enable dynamic grid. And that's just gonna say like reset dynamic grid. And then we need a bool drawing dynamic grid. Drawing dynamic grid equals true. And then we have a public void disable dynamic grid. And then we say reset dynamic grid. Not necessary, but might as well. Drawing dynamic grid equals false. And so then here, this init move mode, if current turn does not equal null, current turn.unit does not equal null, then it draws the static grid, tells to draw. Enable dynamic grid. Init target mode. Enable dynamic grid. Draw movement grid. And then the difficult part is where the hell do we back out from this? I think it might be in here. And no, I think it's handled in the tools. So we've got movement tool here. Or am I wrong? Seem to be wrong. I think it might be handled before we even get in here. And this is what happens when you click. I think. Distance to move. Yeah. All of this is when you move. And then we say main controller dot disable dynamic grid. But let's see. Have to go to trigger. Check mouse. Check right mouse button. Here. Why am I checking it like this? mouse mode isn't using bitwise. I can just check with equals, but whatever. So if right? No, that's right. Because I think the mouse mode can be, yeah, these are bits. Because it can be like a certain mode and a certain mode at the same time, I think. But I don't really... Maybe that's outdated now. But not necessarily. Because it can be like you're in target selection, or you're in movement, for example. But movement might also be target selection. Because when you mouse over someone, when you're in the movement stage, or you're selecting where to go, you still want to be able to mouse over someone. So because of that, you will count as being both in movement and in target selection. And the same thing when you're in a menu, that also counts as target selection sometimes, depending on the menu. Anyway, cancel move mode, disable dynamic grid, target selection, disable dynamic grid, move mode, mouse mode menu, no. Placement, I don't think that uses dynamic grid at all. Oh. So it might. But whatever. Jesus Christ. That like 6 hours. Oh. Please, computer, be fixed. Raining. Now the entire ground. One gigantic piece of ice. I think that should be about it for now. Though we have init move mode. Init target mode. Enable that. Yeah, okay, we did enable it there. But then, let's see. Reset dynamic grid. But this doesn't feel entirely right either. Oh. So we need to fix targeting next. So I've been working on getting movement to work again. Today is Monday. Has anything else happened today? Nothing. Oh yeah. Need to set a timer, otherwise I'm not gonna remember. Tuesday, 12. No, it's Tuesday. Not every day except for Tuesday. There. So, mouse controller, movement tool. This is where things are a little bit like I'm not really sure how to handle this, because I think we should still pathfind here. It's honestly, it's not important right now. It literally doesn't matter. Let's just not do it. We need to figure out the targeting mode. What happens when you try to target now? I'm guessing it depends on what you try to target with. Triple stab works. No, it doesn't. Crashes. Why does that crash it? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Is the action not set? On the object? If pathfinding mode equals targeting. Let's see. Targeting. Placement tool. Check mouse target. Target tool. Executability. Executability. That's not what we're looking for. Has to be check mouse target then. Because yeah, here it's setting action to trigger in the main controller. Is that how I'm doing it? I'm not containing it at all within the unit. I mean, I have to later at least. Main controller action to trigger. Yeah. So what if we just set this to main controller dot action to trigger? Dot range. So then what? Oh. Yeah. There we go. I thought it wasn't gonna be that easy. Computer just crashed. So, it was not the extension cable. Oh. Oh my god. What is causing this shit? It's none of the RAM sticks. It's not the extension cable.